Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix this Roblox HTTP error 529. So there's a few solutions to this. First of all, you want to go ahead and just try to restart your PC. Sometimes that usually works. Just restart, make sure not to shut down, but restart it and try to open up your Roblox. If that didn't fix the problem, you want to open up your settings. On settings, you want to press time and language. On time and language, you're going to press date and time. And here you want to make sure that set time zone and time is turned on and set on automatic. And after that, you want to press sync now. If that didn't fix the problem or it was already on automatic, you want to go ahead and turn that off and just choose a different time zone and see if your Roblox was fixed or not. You also want to go ahead and try a VPN if you already have it, of course. I'm going to leave the link for the Bravado one. Just go ahead and try a different location maybe and see if the problem was fixed or not. Now the last solution is to open up your Roblox player and log into your different account. So just go ahead, click on more and just log out of this one, log into a different account. Then you want to go ahead and press on the game and see if it works. And if it works, then log in back to your account and that should work for your account again too. So that's pretty much it, guys. If this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe and I will see you next time. Bye.